Alright, so for this Canva tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to insert images into your Canva template. So as we can see here with this template, we already have a couple of image placeholders. So I'm going to walk you through how we can insert some images into the placeholder. So let's say we decide to go on Google and search, and say stock image of a car. So if I go to images, let's take this image right here. We're going to right click, go to save image as, and we're just going to save it somewhere that we can easily find it. And now we're going to go back to our Canva template. We're going to go to uploads and we're going to go to upload file. And now once our file is uploaded, all you have to do is click it, and we're just going to drag it and drop it right in the image placeholder. Now with this placeholder, we can actually double click and we can actually adjust the photo if we want to move it around. If we want to adjust the ratio of the image, all we have to do is stretch it out a little bit more this way, or you can do it on the opposite side as well. If we want to resize it, all we'll have to do is just resize using the corners. As we can see, as I'm resizing it, it's changing up the shape a little bit. If we wanted to stay at the specific aspect ratio that it was already framed for, if you hold the shift button, you can resize it and the aspect ratio will stay the same for the image. You can also move it around just by dragging and dropping it. And if we go to edit photo, you can actually go to your adjustments. And here you can make the image black and white by lowering your saturation. You can raise your saturation. You can brighten the image, darken the image, bring up the contrast. Just the basic things that you would do in your typical photo editing, you can do it here as well. Now, another way that you can insert the image is if we go to the same image on Google, if we just right click and go to copy image, we can go back to our Canva template and just hit Command V to paste it, and the image will be inserted into your template. And again, we can resize it. We can crop it by closing it in. And voila! That's a simple way of how you can insert images into your Canva template. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and be on the lookout for the next video.